Over the last few months, experts have revised their 2024 home price forecast based on the latest data and market signals. And they're even more confident now that prices are going to rise and not fall. So let's see exactly how the experts' thinking has shifted and what's caused the change. So home price forecast then and the now. This chart here shows what 7 expert organizations think will happen to home prices in 2024. As compared to their first 2024 forecast, it was made at the end of 23 with their newest projections. The middle column here shows that at first these experts thought home prices would only go up a little bit this year. But if you look the column on the right, you'll see that they've updated their forecast and now think prices are going to go up even more than they had originally thought. Some of the differences are major. There are 2 really big factors keeping such strong upward pressure on the home prices. And the first is just how few homes there are for sale. Right now, according to the Business Insider, low home inventory is a chronic problem in the US, and this has generally kept our home prices up. A lack of housing inventory has been pushing prices up for a long time now, and that's not expected to change dramatically over the year. But what has changed is mortgage rates. Last year, when the housing market experts were calling for home prices to rise only a little bit this year, mortgage rates were up and buyer demand was even more moderate. But now that rates have started to come down from their peak last October, and with further declines expected over the course of the year, buyer demand has picked back up. That increases the demand, along with the ongoing lack of inventory. It's what's caused experts to feel the upward pressure, and prices will be stronger than expected even a couple months ago. So let's take a look forward to get ahead of the next forecast revision. Real estate experts regularly revise their home price forecast as the housing market shifts. It's a normal part of their job and ensures that projections are always up to date and factor in the latest changes in the housing market. That means that they'll continue to revise the projections as the housing market changes this year, just as they've always done. How does that forecast change next is anybody's guess, but let's really pay attention to mortgage rates. If they start to trend down as the year goes on, which they're expected to do, that could lead to more buyer demand, even higher home prices. Basically, it's all about supply and demand. With supply so limited, anything that causes demand to go up will likely cause the prices to go up. The bottom line is this. At first, experts believed that home prices would only go up a little bit this year, but now they've changed their minds and forecasts prices will go up even more than they had originally thought. Let's connect today so that you know what to expect with the prices in our area.